Should you learn R or Python? Which is the best language for you to learn? Let's get into this. My name is Greg Martin, and you might know that I do a lot of R programming tutorials. You might think that my answer therefore is you have to learn R, it's better than Python. In actual fact, it's a bit more nuanced than that. There are circumstances under which learning Python might be better for you, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make that decision. Now, both R and Python are popular languages. They're both very powerful. They're both very useful. People that learn one of the two languages will tend to tell you that that's the language you should learn. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can decide which is the best language for you. Each of these languages have got very specific strengths and weaknesses, but there's another key to making the decision, and I'm going to get into that. Let's start by looking at some of the headline strengths of each of these languages. R, for example, is very strong for statistical analysis. It's also excellent when it comes to data visualization. R also has features like Quarto and R Markdown that let you produce reproducible reports that include both text and code and outputs of code all mixed into one output. And you can output PDFs, Word documents, dashboards, make them interactive, etc., etc. This is a real strength of R programming. Python, by contrast, is a general-purpose programming language. This means that you can build complete applications within Python. So Python lets you do more than just data analysis. And while R, of course, allows you to do machine learning, Python really is strong and excels in the space. Python's also the go-to language if you want to deploy models into production systems. So how do you decide which of these two languages you should learn? The answer is you should learn the language which is most commonly used in the field in which you work or in which you intend to work. If you're going to work in the health sciences, medicine, public health, etc., you're going to want to learn R because people in that space use R. If you're going to work in the tech industry, do data engineering or machine learning, then you're going to want to learn Python. And the reason is coding is no longer a solo activity. You don't do it necessarily on your own. You work with colleagues, you share code, you get help from other people. You want to be working in a language that is used by your colleagues. So if you're going to be working in a field that is very statistically heavy, biostats, epidemiology, then definitely learn R. If you're going to be working in the tech industry and build applications, definitely learn Python. UCLA are sponsoring this video, and they've got some interesting programs. And Rick, I wonder if you can tell us a little bit about the program that you offer at UCLA.
Yeah, I'm the director of the Master of Applied Statistics and Data Science program at UCLA. It's a very exciting program. We offer only classes exclusively in the evening.
That's quite unusual, by the way. I've never heard of a program that's just at night.
It's supposed to cater to local working professionals. So the idea is you can be working during the day, and then you take classes in applied statistics and data science in the evenings. Usually the classes are 6 to 9 p.m. And we offer a wide variety of courses in applied statistics and data science. We've always been a very applied statistics department. And so that's the focus of our faculty. And yeah, it's been a very successful program. And one thing that's great about UCLA is that it's really in a very nice part of Los Angeles too. That's very safe, close to the beach and close to so many fun things to do.
Sounds amazing. Tell me, what is the deadline for applying for this Master's in Statistics and Data Science?
The deadline to apply is February 1st. 2026, and we're definitely looking for more applications. We want as many people to apply as possible. It's not super easy to get in. We're actually the #1 most selective, and we're also the #1 in job placement among all master's programs at UCLA.
Right. So, okay. Yeah, so if you're wanting to get a job, this is the master's to do.
Exactly. That's a major selling point of ours, that our students have been getting jobs without a problem at all. We have a good career placement as well, but statistics and data science are so hot right now. A lot of local companies are looking to hire, and companies across the world are just hiring data scientists.
And can I quickly ask you, what is the cost of doing the program?
This is something else that's a bit unique about our program because it's less expensive than the competitors, and it's also more flexible. Yeah. So a lot of programs will charge you per year. In our program, we kind of let you go at your own pace. Some students like to take just one class at a time, or and they could take a longer time to finish. Some finish, I would say most finish in around 2 years. And it's about $27,000 per year if you do it in 2 years. So the whole cost of the program is about $54,000. We charge per unit, and you have to take 44 units.
Okay, quick follow-up question. Is there any financial aid for people that might find that difficult?
Yes, absolutely. We take 10% of our students are on a complete free ride. They get a full award that makes the whole program cost-free. So yeah, even if you can't afford to pay the tuition, you should still apply because, as I said, 10% of our students get the full fellowship.
Wow, that's absolutely amazing. Well, Rick, thanks very much for talking to me. I really appreciate it. For people watching, there's going to be a link in the description below, and you can click on that link, find out more, check out the program. Very exciting stuff. Thanks for your time, Rick. Much appreciated. And of course, you might decide with time that you want to learn both. You just want to know which one to start with now. I hope this was helpful. My name's Greg Martin. Subscribe to this channel, comment if you can, like, share, etc., etc. Thanks for watching. Don't ever change. Don't do drugs. Always do your best. Boom shakalaka.